it's Kim from Kim Dixon Creative. I am here today with the box of the month for August 2022 for Not Too Shabby. I thought I would do a little quick unboxing with you guys. There is some beautiful stamp sets in here featuring some fall images and the sunflowers and pumpkins, and they're just beautiful. And I thought I would share a little bit with you. I've done a video using this stamp set and paper pad, so I will link that below. I would love for you to go and check that out. This particular stamp set is called Bloom with Grace, and that sentiment says, when you grow wild, you bring life and beauty to all that surrounds you. Wherever life plants you, bloom with grace. We have Thankful for You, Hello Friend, and these beautiful pumpkins and sunflowers. Then we have the bear stamp set that's called Hello Bears. We have a sentiment that says hello, sunshine, pumpkin, and fall. And these bears are absolutely beautiful, and they're created by whimsical inklings. Then our next stamp set is Warm Drink, Cold Day. The sentiments are happiness is a hot drink on a cold day. May your life be filled with happiness and overflowing hot chocolate. And the next one is You, Me, Coffee, Now. And you have these beautiful little mugs of warm drink and with marshmallows and whipped topping. You even have a straw and a piece of peppermint. This is my favorite paper pad. It features sunflowers. The colors are stunning. The yellow and the black and the white just, pop off of the page. But they're just beautiful, just beautiful. And even some of the papers in here will be great for situations that aren't fall related or aren't the sunflowers. You've got some black plaid, you've got some yellow polka dot, the stripes. It's a beautiful stamp set. Beautiful paper pad. The next paper pad is a slimline paper pad, and it features some browns and pinks in it, and it's so pretty. So very pretty. That brown gingham right there, just gorgeous. The pink polka dot. I love this paper pack. I keep saying stamp set, paper pad. Look at the pink gingham. And that wood grain is so pretty, so pretty. You get 2 each of these, each pattern of those. Then you have all of this beautiful ephemera. You have a pack of ephemera that's going to go very well with that fall sunshine paper pad with all of the sunflowers in it. There's some black buffalo plaid in there as well, which always wins me over. But they're so pretty. And look, with these 2 sets of ephemera and the paper packs, you know, if you're not a stamper, if you don't like to stamp or if you don't like to color, these you can make a lot of cards. I can't even imagine how many cards you can make just using the paper pads and the ephemera without ever touching the stamp sets, which they're gorgeous as well. I love them. And they're the stamp sets, you can use those, you can color them, but they're very simple. You can color them very easily, very quickly. Even the florals that are in there, you know, I can sometimes get intimidated by coloring florals, and they're not that hard to color. But there's the ephemera in the fall sunshine pack. Just gorgeous. Now we have the ephemera that goes with the pink slimline paper. These are just so cute. I have some ideas of how I want to style some of these ephemera on a card. I love them. That marshmallow vanilla candle I wish was sitting on my desk right now. Can you imagine how that smells? It's so, so cute. And the little cups with the little faces are cute too. And let's talk about this little diva squirrel with her scarf and her bow in her hair. Is that not precious? And who can't fall in love with a pink pumpkin? I mean, come on. They're so pretty, so pretty. I can't wait to dive in and use this particular ephemera set. Like I said, I've already created one video for the hop today using the fall sunshine papers and stamp sets. So later on in the month, I'll be coming back with some more videos, and I have a feeling that this is going to be my next set that I use. Hey, thanks for stopping by. I'm so glad that you did. Just a little quick unboxing. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below that will take you to the Not Too Shabby shop and take you to where you can purchase this box of the month. You can purchase the box of the month individually. If you're going to do that, I would do it quickly. I have a feeling that this box is going to go fast. But better than that, go ahead and sign up for the subscription. That way, each month you are guaranteed to get that box. You are guaranteed to get everything that's in the box. Sometimes Jamie has things left over and she puts the individual items in her shop. Sometimes there's nothing left over to put in the shop. And I have a strong feeling that this particular box is going to sell out fast. So head on over to the shop. Get your box of the month and get your subscription so that next month, at the beginning of September, you get the box of the month as well. Thanks again for stopping by. Know that I cherish every one of you that stop by and spend time with me, that bother to subscribe to my channel and like and comment and interact with me. I hope you all have a very blessed and creative day. Bye.